Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese garlic bread using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need a loaf of your favorite bread, like a French baguette or Italian loaf, along with unsalted butter, fresh garlic, and your preferred cheese. A little salt and pepper will also enhance the flavors. This recipe is perfect for a quick side dish or a tasty snack. Now, let's create that amazing garlic butter. Take 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and let it soften to room temperature. This makes it much easier to mix. Next, finely mince 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic. The fresher the garlic, the more vibrant the taste. In a small bowl, combine the softened butter with the minced garlic, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Mix it all together until well combined. With our garlic butter ready, it's time to assemble the bread. Carefully slice your loaf lengthwise, making sure not to cut all the way through the bottom. This creates a pocket for our delicious filling. Generously spread the garlic butter mixture onto both cut sides of the bread. Don't be shy. Then, sprinkle about 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese or your favorite cheese blend evenly over the buttered surfaces. This ensures cheesy goodness in every bite. Finally, let's bake our cheese garlic bread to perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the assembled bread on a baking sheet and bake for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the bread is lightly golden and the cheese is melted and bubbly. For an extra crispy top, you can broil it for 1 to 2 minutes, watching carefully to prevent burning. Serve immediately and enjoy this warm, cheesy, and incredibly flavorful treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.